Alright guys, so we have a problem in this Toyota Corolla 2015, and I imagine it's from 2014 all the way to 19. They have the same problem. So basically water gets into the wiring of your speakers and then they get into corrode and they stop working. So I tried to use contact cleaner, moisture dispenser. That didn't work after damage was done. So what I did was I cut the two wires and then I went to a parts store and got these. These are the ones that worked better for me. I tried to get the quick release ones, but they didn't fit inside here that well. So these are just sitting here. I didn't crimp them. I didn't do anything to them, meaning that I didn't like try to enforce the connection. The only thing I did is, let me show you real quick. Excuse the mess, guys. I'm just really worked up because I was trying to fix this since like the morning, I would say. So what I did is, you see this piece, I cut it from here because I was worried that the probes inside won't reach that one. So I just cut that, and for both of them, and I stick them over there. They look flush. I mean, they look secure even though they're not crimped yet. I'm not sure how I'm gonna crimp them inside. Going inside with the crimp over there is really hard, but I know that crimping these won't be a problem. I'm just gonna show you that they actually work. So what are we doing here? Yeah, and then just to let you know, there's a purple one and a white one. See, so the purple one goes to the left and the one with the white goes to the right. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. So it's not working right now, but let's try.
I'm learning about the mattress industry. You got any trade secrets?
Oh boy, do I.
Great.
Now through Monday,
Yeah?
trade in your old mattress and get...
Let me see. It's working fine. So this is like a temporary solution or a more frugal solution for this one. And it's a pain to get the speaker all out because Toyota decided to go with rivets instead of screws. So yeah, this is like the temporary frugal solution for this. Get you one of these butt connectors, and if you did this in a better way, please let me know. I appreciate it, and I hope that you found this video helpful. I didn't want to like do the whole process of removing the panel and all that. The only tip that I can give you is to turn off your dome lights so it won't eat up your battery. Another tip that I would give you is after putting the butt connectors in, it's better to put liquid tape on it to make sure it's electrical, so for better insulation, and it's gonna waterproof it, of course, and it's gonna enhance the connection. You can find a lot of videos on YouTube show you how to remove this really easy. And yeah, so there's your solution for this one, and I hope that this was helpful. If it was, please give it a like, and if you found a better solution for this one, just let me know in a comment, other than replacing the whole speaker. Also, I want to add another thing. These are really hard to find. There's only one website, and for one of these, it costs $75. So that's why I could not put this back. I imagine that you can solder this, but yeah, that's why I went with these, and these cost me like $2. So yeah, again, thank you for watching. Hope you find it helpful, and see you in the next one.